Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions Affordable Medical. I know this scooter looks really cool, and I don't know how they market it, but we had someone bring this in. They bought it, and when they got it, it didn't work. So we had to replace the batteries because the batteries are bad. I'm being really honest with you on this. Be very, very careful with this unit. First of all, when you get on this thing, that wheel just spins, because the weight's at the back. So there's not much weight up at the front. So this wheel just spins on you, and it marks up the floors. I guess it's pretty fast, but I wouldn't trust it. I literally just took it for a ride outside, and I went up a small hill, I felt, and the thing just flipped over, and I just fell off of it. It's made by Drive. It's the Zoome 3, and it is, I would rate it a 1, easily a 1. It's heavy. It's not going to get you off-roading too well. I didn't get too far because literally it flipped over, so I brought it back in. Here's what I was saying about when you get on it. Let me turn it on. So you do have 2 gears and a reverse. I mean, that's not even an inch. Not even an inch rubber mat I can barely get over. But it kind of just spins. I mean, I guess you would just need to lean forward on it. But just be careful with purchasing this. I mean, I'm just going over. I want y'all to see something. This thing barely makes it going backwards over that. That's not even. I don't have a measuring tape. That's not even. It might be half an inch. It's very scary. I tried to talk the people into. Here, let me just take it for a ride. So you do it like this to go. To what? Look at the floor. It marked up the floor. You got a no-go from me.